Welcome to Sounds Nice, the channel where we delve into the fascinating world around us. Today we're exploring the significance of physical school campuses. Despite the rise of online learning, these spaces still hold vital roles in shaping the educational journey. School campuses are more than just brick-and-mortar structures. They are dynamic, living spaces that shape the educational journey. Firstly, school campuses serve as community hubs. They're much more than just buildings filled with classrooms. They're vibrant, dynamic spaces where students, teachers, and families come together. They're where ideas are exchanged, friendships are formed, and perspectives are broadened. These campuses are the beating heart of their communities, bringing people together in a way that virtual platforms simply can't replicate. Here, students don't just learn from textbooks, they learn from each other. They engage in lively debates in the cafeteria, form study groups in the library, and collaborate on projects in the lab. They learn to navigate social dynamics, to work as part of a team, and to respect and appreciate diverse viewpoints. All these interactions, all these moments of connection, they're integral to the educational journey. They're what make a school campus a hub of community and collaboration. But these campuses aren't just about fostering socialization and connection, they're also about providing hands-on learning experiences. They're equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and resources that enrich the curriculum and transform theoretical knowledge into practical skills. From science labs where students conduct experiments and explore the laws of physics, to art studios where they unleash their creativity and express their thoughts and emotions, these physical spaces are where learning comes to life. In these environments, students aren't just passively absorbing information, they're actively engaging with it. They're getting their hands dirty, they're experimenting, they're making mistakes and learning from them. They're discovering their passions, honing their talents, and developing a deep, hands-on understanding of the subjects they study. They're not just learning about the world, they're learning how to interact with it, how to question it, how to contribute to it. These spaces are where creativity is sparked and meaningful connections are built. They're where students grow, not just academically, but also personally and socially. They're where education becomes more than just a transfer of knowledge, but a transformative, holistic experience. And that's the true value of school campuses. They're where learning truly comes to life. Another vital aspect of school campuses is the role they play in social and emotional development. These physical spaces are not just brick and mortar structures, but are the very platforms where young minds learn to navigate the complex world of social interactions. It's here that students get to experience firsthand the joys of teamwork, the challenges of leadership, and the satisfaction of personal growth. Now, let's consider a typical school day. It's filled with opportunities for students to work together, whether it's on a class project, during a sports game, or even while organizing a school event. These activities are not just for fun or to pass the time. They're crucial avenues for learning how to cooperate, communicate effectively, and resolve conflicts, skills that are as important in adult life as they are in school. Leadership, too, is a quality that's often nurtured within the school campus. Student councils, club presidencies, or even leading a study group provide opportunities for students to step up, make decisions, and take responsibility. These experiences not only build confidence, but also instill a sense of accountability and the ability to inspire others. But the impact of school campuses extends beyond these tangible skills. They also foster a sense of belonging, an aspect that's fundamental to a student's emotional well-being. When students feel valued and connected to their school community, they're more likely to engage, participate, and thrive. This connection could stem from being part of a drama club, playing for the school basketball team, or simply being in a supportive classroom environment. It's this sense of belonging that helps students feel secure and confident, promoting a positive self-image. These experiences, these interactions, they're not just incidental. They're part of a larger journey of self-discovery and personal development. They help shape a student's identity, influence their values, and guide their sense of self. So the next time you think about a school campus, remember, it's more than just a place for academic learning. It's a place where students grow, learn about themselves, and form bonds that could last a lifetime. These experiences help shape a student's identity and sense of self, The physical environment of a campus also plays a key role in learning. Picture this: a verdant outdoor space, peppered with trees, flowers, and benches, where students can relax, read, or even have impromptu discussions. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a conscious design decision to create an environment that stimulates curiosity and promotes well-being. Research has shown that being in nature, or even just looking at scenes of nature, reduces anger, fear, and stress while increasing pleasant feelings. This is why campuses often include green spaces, serene courtyards, and airy, light-filled buildings. Now, imagine a bustling classroom or a quiet library corner. These are not just places to sit and study. They are spaces where ideas are born, where knowledge is absorbed, where creativity blossoms. The physical environment of a campus becomes a silent teacher, subtly influencing the learning process. It's the architecture whispering history lessons, the art installations sparking debates, and the science labs making abstract concepts tangible. But a campus is more than just its buildings and landscapes. It's the people who bring it to life. And this is where the magic of face-to-face interactions comes into play. The classroom is a stage for teachers to inspire, to challenge, and to guide. It is where they can observe their students, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and offer personalized guidance. But the relationship between teachers and students extends beyond the classroom. It's the casual conversations in the hallway, the encouraging nod during a tough exam, the shared laughter in a school event. These moments foster a deep sense of trust and mentorship, which are vital for academic growth and personal development. These relationships are not just confined to teachers and students. They extend to peers, to school staff, to the entire school community. They are the shared experiences, the common goals, the collective triumphs and failures. In essence, the physical environment of a campus and the relationships formed within its walls are intertwined. Together, they create a vibrant tapestry of learning experiences, shaping not just the minds, but also the hearts of students. These relationships are the bedrock of a supportive and inspiring learning environment. Finally, campuses provide opportunities for experiential education. These environments invite students to step outside their comfort zones, to explore the world around them, and make real-world connections to their studies. From science experiments in labs to history lessons that come alive in museums, these experiences are invaluable. They enable students to apply their knowledge in a tangible way, fostering deep understanding and long-lasting retention. Transitioning smoothly, we find that campuses also celebrate diversity. They stand as vibrant spaces of inclusivity, where every student, regardless of their background, feels seen and heard. Campuses act as microcosms of our diverse world, promoting cultural understanding and respect for different perspectives. They provide a platform for students to share their unique stories, to learn from one another, and to grow together in mutual respect. And here we reach our conclusion. School campuses, where learning comes to life. They are places of safety, support, and celebration. They nurture not just academic growth, but the holistic development of students. They foster a sense of community, promote hands-on learning, inspire creativity, and build character. More than that, they create lifelong memories and experiences that shape students' lives. So, let us not underestimate the value of these physical spaces. They are more than buildings and classrooms. They are the beating heart of education, where learning truly comes to life. Now it's your turn to take action. If you found value in this content, we encourage you to share it, like it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content about education and its importance in shaping our future. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us continue to provide quality content that can make a difference in your life and in the lives of students across the globe. So don't hesitate, share and subscribe today.